Hey y'all, so I wanted to intro this vlog real quick before I go into Marshall's. I am going to be vlogging today and every weekend moving forward. Some of them might make it to the channel, some of them might not. I'm just trying to get into the swing, into the flow of just like vlogging regularly. But today the heat is up high because it's 7 degrees today. But today we are about to go to Marshall's because I need to get some martini glasses because my best friend is coming over. We're gonna do like a tacos and tequila night, even though it ain't gonna be no tequila. But I just thought the name was cute, so I need to get some martini glasses to make some drinks. And I need to go to the nail salon. My sister's boyfriend is dropping off my nephew to me so I can watch him because they both have something to do. My sister at work, my sister's boyfriend has a funeral to go to, so they are going to be dropping off my nephew to me so I can watch him for a little bit until my sister gets off. And then, like I said, going to the nail salon, I got to get my nails done and my feet done. And then I need to clean up, I need to shower, I need to like get ready and stuff. I took a shower last night, okay? Let's not like think that I'm dirty. But I need to take another shower to like get ready. Tomorrow I got like a couple of videos to film. I gotta go see my grandmother. What else do I have to do tomorrow? Food shop, cook, stuff like that. So I'm actually cutting it a little bit close because my nail appointment is at 2 and it's 1:35, but it's only 10 minutes away and I'm already here at Marshall's. So let's go inside and see if they got the glasses that we need. If they got them, I probably won't even be able to get them if the line's long, because the line's always long at Marshall's. But let's go. I don't understand why I live in New Jersey. It's too cold. Like, why do I live here? It's freezing. Oh crap, I forgot my slides. I actually think I'm gonna have to run back home. See, I knew I was forgetting something. Yeah, I'm gonna have to run back home to get them slides because I'm gonna need those. Because I'm not about to be like walking on my feet. Alright. Back home, they did not have any martini glasses at Marshall's. So then I just went to the nail salon. And then I went to Dollar Tree afterwards. So I had to get whatever they had. Because like, you know, crunch time. And then I went to Stop and Shop. The line was super long. I was in there for forever, but now I'm back home and I just started like straightening up. So I'm about to like finish straightening up, wipe everything down, put away like the stuff that I bought and kind of like start setting up. Then I'm gonna take a shower. But first I'm gonna wipe the counters down first and then sit the stuff down. Salsa. My best friend is a very big like beef eater, so I got ground beef. Normally I would get like ground turkey or shrimp or something, but she real big into like beef, so I got ground beef. And then I also got some chicken to make like chicken tacos because I don't know if I'm gonna want like beef tacos. Got some shredded lettuce, taco seasoning, chips for the dip. I got some mixers to like experiment with mixing drinks. I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet because I got like one that is for like strawberry margaritas, but I think I'm gonna do Henny strawberry margaritas. And then I got one that is for mojitos, but I think I'm gonna do Henny mojitos, you know. And then I got soda water, mint leaves just for show, seasoning. I got some sprinkles for like around the rim to like act as like sugar around the rim because I wanted it to be gold. I don't know how that's gonna look. That might look tacky because the straws are silver, but you know. And I got chipotle aioli sauce because this tastes real good on tacos. The cheese for the tacos, limes, tomatoes, tortillas. So I got these. I forgot to get the Hennessy, so Rob is gonna pick that up for me. So taco and tequila night was supposed to start at 6. It is now 6:15 and I've not even got dressed, started cooking, nothing. So I'm running very much so behind, but I'm about to like take a shower and stuff, and I'll check y'all in a second.
Do this.
Remember we used to be free gaming in the car before the club? Best friend taco and tequila night with no tequila was a success. It was very fun. I have a very bad headache. Even though I took Advil before I went to sleep, I still got a killer headache. I don't appreciate that. But I am about to film. That's why I got on makeup. Took my vitamins. It's very cloudy today, so like the natural light is just in the dump. So I'm probably gonna have to bring out my ring light, which is just like, I really don't want to do that. I didn't show y'all my nails yesterday or my toes, because y'all know I always get white, but I got a different color. So this is the nails. I just got something real like simple. And then for the toes, you can't really see that good. Let me go in here. For the toes, it's like, it's not white. I feel like it's looking white on camera, but it's not white. It's like a beige kind of color. Oh, my head. Okay, let me set up. Okay, so I got everything over here. It's cold, and right now I'm gonna have to cut the heat off because I'm filming literally right here. See, it's not as like bright as I would like, you know. Yeah, I'm about to film, so I'll check y'all later. Okay, so I'm done filming. Don't ask me what I got on, because I don't know. I was watching the game, so it's real loud. I ain't even about to push y'all through that for too long. But I just want you to see this how I'm going outside. Yeah, like I said, Rob watching the game, so it's real loud. I'm about to go see my grandmother. I got the meat thawing out. I'm gonna cook when I get back. I look a mess. Alright, let's go. I love you. We can have a good time. Follow me to the beat. So I made it. I've just been in here talking to my sister and my grandmother. We was talking about Manifest. Have y'all ever seen Manifest? Have y'all watched Manifest? Don't waste your time if you haven't, okay? Just don't even do it. But I forgot to show y'all the card holder too. Look. It's so cute, right? This was like one of the things on my wish list for a while, but I'm real cheap. But yeah, I wanted this card holder for a while. I love that it has like the flap, the card slots in the back, and the zipper. Like it's not just got the card slots. My little Marc Jacobs pouch too. Rob got this for me. I forgot to say, if I didn't already, Rob bought me this card holder for Christmas. Okay. I will. He better. All right.
You are my baby. If you don't, I will be after him.
Okay. You ain't got no feet, but you'll be after him. Who did? I know you used to tow the pistol. I know you. I know you. I know you used to be carrying that thing. All right, for real, I'm leaving my. I'm gonna plant you now. I'm gonna plant you now, and then I'm gonna dig you later. After a while, crocodile. All right, baby wooch. See you later.
You never let me know when you.
All right, y'all. I love y'all.
Let you be safe.
But you can tell you're tired. You can't even pick your feet up.
Yeah, I'm like, no. See, yes. It is fully snowing out here, y'all. Like, oh my God. And my car low-key covered already. Back in the crib. I'm about to prep this meat. I already washed my hands. It's very intense in my household right now. Rob's watching the game. A minute left. The Cowboys need to score or they lose. So. So here's dinner. I had already started eating. But you should know that this was supposed to have green beans as well, but Rob didn't get them when he went to the supermarket. So just pork chop, white rice, and green tea. So I'm about to eat that. And then that's the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment if you feel like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.